cool. Well, that transitions perfectly to my next question. I want to ask you a little bit about the technologies that you're excited about, how you think that's going to be transforming the lending industry in the next year, 2 years, 3 years.
Sure. I would say that it's going to be through a system of permissions and accessibility. So to clarify what I mean, right now the focus of the lending industry is towards something that's called one-day certainty. One-day certainty means that we can automatically verify. We can use automation basically to verify income and assets, which will keep clients from having to actually provide the paperwork. I think that if you talk to a lot of people, you'll find that some of the most frustrating part is gathering your paperwork.
Definitely.
It's so funny too, because when I'm on the other side and someone's like, I can't find this, I'm always thinking like, well, come on, you have to keep your records better. And then I go to, finance something myself, I'm like, oh, all right, I get it. Yeah. So what's really exciting is that there's these systems that are in place now to where we can, these are not stated loans. We're still verifying all of the income and assets, but we're doing it in a way that will allow us to do this in an instantaneous manner. What's really cool about this is that when we go through, right now we can verify the majority of someone's employment. If they're self-employed, that's obviously going to be a different situation, but for a lot of people in the workforce, when someone goes through our online application, we can actually take a step to go through, verify your employment, and then determine that you do not need to provide tax returns, pay stubs, or any of this documentation. Same thing with assets. Now we're in a position where we can go through and through permissions of accessing certain accounts pertaining to the transaction, now we can automatically verify your assets. You don't have to go back and forth with your lender on this bank statement, where's this, he said, she said, what's going on here? So I'm really excited because we're getting these parts of the process streamlined.